How to save files in PDF. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can save how you can convert any file in PDF format. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay guys, so here we are. uh, I just opened any file here in Google Docs. So you can okay, you can see I have opened this file. Okay, so just go to open. Okay, it is opening. It's take few seconds, I think. Okay guys, you can see this file has been opened here. Okay, now what we need to do, just go to the file, go to the save. Here we need to go in browse, just select the location where you want to save it. Now you need to change this save type. Go into this and just select the PDF format. You can rename it and just save. Then this Word documents or file, it will be converted in PDF, and you can see this file in PDF only. Okay, same as you can change the JPG in PDF. You need to just take the new docs here, insert, go to the pictures, insert pictures from your device. Okay, this picture has been inserted here. You can move it by changing this text wrapping. Just click this option and just move your images. And now same, you need to save as. Go to the browse, change the file type, rename it, and save it. So your picture also open in PDF only. So that is how you can change files in PDF. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.